First, power supply. In order to ensure the normal operation of the roller ball press, the power supply should not be lower than the nominal value of the input voltage of the ball press. Grounding. The grounding of the roller ball machine is mainly divided into shell grounding and internal electrical grounding. The shell grounding is mainly used to prevent the accumulation of static electricity, electrical leakage, etc. And the outdoor ball machine is especially equipped with external lightning protection measures. Third, ground loop. Even if the equipment is effectively grounded, there is a difference in the zero potential of different positions between the ball press and the central equipment, and there is an imbalance in the power load, which will still cause a grounding potential difference. Fourth, waterproof. Outdoor ball press installation must do waterproof treatment. For suspension installation, there is a gap between the ball press and the bracket. Heat dissipation. The heat dissipation problem of the rolling ball machine must also be considered.